What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
Give me the gun.
He just told you.
Hello everyone, it's Ruth here, and we have got a pop in a box.
And don't forget, hello.
Hello, don't forget Axel's here.
So we got a special pop today.
Did we? We don't know what we got. It's a pop in a box. It's mystery.
Well, I've already seen them.
Oh, that's not fair. Okay, well you better pass me the first one then. I'll keep my eyes closed. Oh, we've got a Jurassic Park. We've never had a Jurassic Park before, so it's Dr. Alan Grant. Oh, let's pop here. Oh,
Don't get cheap on me, Dad.
there we go. Darts. Let's open him up and have a look at him first, shall we? So.
Okay, I don't want to spoil anything, but for two pops, you won't believe it, but look how big this box is for two pops. It's like two pops. It's like it's amazing.
Okay, so as I said, our first Jurassic Park pop.
That is one big pile of shit.
There we go. He's pretty awesome. He's got his looks like a dinosaur claw in his hand. It's a long time since I've seen the film, so do forgive me. It looks like a claw or a fossil or something.
Yeah, it's a fossil.
But that's cool. So okay, now what are you dying to tell me?
Well, other than that pop and the other one, we've just got its green bubbly stuff. That's the amazing pop.
Yeah, it does make a good pop. You're right.
I'm just going to show you the back of this first, because I don't want you to actually see it.
Oh my goodness.
We've got our first ride.
Oh wow. All right. Yeah, that is amazing.
Me and Daddy have already opened it for you.
Oh, thank you.
They don't separate like some of the others.
Hercules and Pegasus. Well, that's epic. Oh, I love him.
It already comes on the stand fixed onto it.
Okay, now can I just pop this box to one side? Put your arm around me, darling. Thank you.
So if you have a look here.
Can I also have a look at him? Thank you, sweetheart. So, oh, he's really heavy. So there is Hercules riding Pegasus. It's beautiful wings of his sword. Wow, that is
Stop
amazing.
me.
Oh, that's not very kind of him.
Top right.
We did have a bit of an issue because we moved house, but luckily, we used to live next to a shop, and the kind gentleman in the shop got our pops for us, so we didn't have to have them sent back and resent.
They weren't paid by the shop to sponsor them.
It's true, but if you are watching, thank you, Cliff, and thank you, popinabox.
If you are, please sponsor us next time.
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you for watching. Yeah, like our video, subscribe or comment if you don't like it or don't want to subscribe. Or
Dislike
if you do,
and unsubscribe.
yeah,
Do any of
yeah,
those.
any of those things. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you again.
Bye. Bye.
He's gone.